Welcome to Flash Nano Therapeutics. Hello, I'm Cam, our Chief Medical Officer. Current chemotherapy treatments have adverse side effects due to the systemic, uncontrolled release of chemotherapy that can have off-target effects and make patients even more sick. One such cancer, acute myeloid leukemia, or AML, is the deadliest form of leukemia and requires specific dosing and regimented chemotherapy treatment. Even one tiny error can cause a patient to relapse and the progression of their disease. One way to increase the effectiveness of chemotherapy treatments is to encapsulate the drug in a system that prevents off-target release and only targets cancer cells.
Hello, I'm John, our Chief Operations Officer. At Flash Nano Therapeutics, we have developed a novel manufacturing process that allows us to encapsulate your drug in a nanoparticle made from alginate, a biocompatible, naturally derived polymer that has been extensively studied in a variety of biotech and pharmaceutical applications. We produce our nanoparticles through a novel process called flash nanoprecipitation, with a high throughput that traditionally used microfluidic devices do not offer. Our current proprietary technology encapsulates a combination of cytarabine and daunorubicin chemotherapies to treat AML. However, given the flexibility and modularity of our platform, we hope to use our technology to take your product to the next level by partnering with you to encapsulate your therapeutic in a nanoparticle. We will work with you to optimize our drug delivery platform to your specific application and maximize the effectiveness of your product.
Hello, I am Lauren, our Chief Scientific Officer. This technology works by having an inlet stream of sodium alginate containing the drug and a small amount of surfactant, and a second inlet stream containing our calcium chloride crosslinker and ethanol, which will mix with the alginate and will precipitate as nanoparticles. This is passed through a filter and a buffer exchange is performed using tangential flow filtration. The nanoparticles will then be dried with supercritical carbon dioxide, which prevents any damage to the nanopore structure of the particles. This product will then be shipped back to you for distribution and can be reconstituted in saline to be injected intravenously. We have optimized our formulation and flow rates and proof-of-concept lab procedures, which have included different flow rates, ratios of inlet streams, concentration of alginate and calcium chloride, concentration of surfactant in the inlet streams or buffer, volume of the buffer, pH of the buffer, and the effects of filtering these different formulations. These trials have shown the robustness of our procedure and optimization of our product.
Hello, I am Hannah, the Chief Executive Officer. We at Flash Nano Therapeutics understand the world we live in becomes a more complicated place every day, and our company's mission is to improve the culture of healthcare and the lives of our patients by working with a diverse set of engineers, scientists, and physicians. Diversity and inclusion are at our core because we understand the importance of having novel and different perspectives on difficult problems to design the most robust solution. As a company founded by engineers, we are always seeking to optimize our system. We want to engage in a feedback loop with our employees and patients to hear from them on how we can be more inclusive to their needs. We are committed to being lifelong learners through educating ourselves on the importance of inclusivity, which reaches beyond diversity. As a company, we want to acknowledge the systemic racism, sexism, and discrimination that frequently occurs in healthcare, and say that we are committed to ensuring that these disparities do not persist through our studies and clinical trials, and that all patients will have the access and option for our treatment. From all of us at Flash Nano Therapeutics, we look forward to working with you in the future on improving medicine and the lives of our patients.